Welcome students. How are you all? I hope you understood the last session. Yes, which is the introduction to the web designing. Isn't it? About the server side and client side scripting language. You all understood the basic concept of client side and server side scripting language? Yes. What about client, which is the user, and the server is where the service is provided, isn't it? So the chapter 1 deals with the discovering of PHP. Before entering into PHP, you want to know what is the client side scripting, what is the server side scripting, and about the scripting languages. So scripting languages is nothing but which is written and interpreted during the execution time. Okay, so scripting language is divided into client side scripting and server side scripting. Client side scripting is a thing which is used by the client side, and server side scripting for server purpose. So for server system we are going to prepare the program. Okay, so we saw HTML last year, which is a client side scripting language where only the designing of the websites are being done. And server side scripting is for servicing and for whatever the clients need, it should be satisfied in this programming. So we are going for server side scripting, and PHP is one such server side scripting. And what are all the advantages and what are all the things, key facts of client side scripting and server side scripting we saw. Isn't it? What are all the things we saw and examples of client side and examples of server side scripting languages, everything we saw in the last class. Have you all understood? I said if you have any doubt, you can ask me. It is all the theory part. Now we are going to enter into a PHP program. So PHP is nothing but PHP introduction also we saw in the last class. About PHP is nothing but hypertext preprocessor, where we are going to write the programs which solves the problems in the server side computer. Yes. So there are many advantages and what are all the requirements of PHP we saw in the last class. Isn't it? So we saw what is the uses of PHP, what is the main reason we go for PHP. Yes, everything we saw, right? So how to write a PHP program we are going to see now. So how to write a PHP program? You know how to write a HTML program, right? In the notepad you will start. You will write the program with the tags, HTML tags, and you will save it as .html, and then you will be running or launching in your browser. The HTML program will run. Isn't it? This is the step for the client side program. So there are certain steps we should follow in writing the PHP program. So the PHP scripts are embedded inside the HTML, because HTML is a client side, and from there it is the client is requesting the server, so that request will be given to the PHP script. Okay, so among normal HTML tags, PHP statements will also be included. So PHP scripts are embedded in HTML, and among the normal HTML tag, PHP scripts also be included in the HTML. So this is a HTML program. Can you able to see? Yes. So within the HTML program, they have written the HTML program. Here the HTML has been, this is the starting and ending tag of the HTML, header, body. Inside the body there is a script. Here this thing is called the PHP pointer option. See this thing. This thing is called the PHP script, which is started by the symbol with the question mark. PHP echo means printing, hello PHP, and then you should end with the semicolon and with the question mark and this closing tag. So this is your PHP script. Can you able to see this PHP script? Yes. Can you able to see this PHP script? This is your PHP script. Okay. Can you able to see this? This is your PHP script. Okay. It is starting with this. In a enter tag, question mark, PHP echo is nothing but printing with the say double quotations, whatever you want to print, and then end with the semicolon, question mark with the arrow. This is the normal program. Okay, got it? So, comments in PHP. So, like regular HTML, see here, in this HTML programs also, we have the commands here. Okay, with this command, we have the command to echo the display. So, we are in PHP also, we are having the commands. How to write the commands? Commands are classified into two types. Single line command and the multi-line command. What is meant by single line command? Single line command is used for simple explanations or notes. Only one word or one sentence will be using the single line command, and multi-line command is used to provide commands for more than one line, used to provide pseudocode, algorithms and detailed explanations when necessary. So the examples for single line and multi-line command are shown here. See, first one, single line command. The example of the single line command is PHP. So with this hashtag or backslash, this both can be used for the single line command. This is a command, this is also a command. This both symbols can be used for single line command. One is the hashtag and the other one is the backslash. So this is your PHP program where we are starting a PHP program by this symbol. See this symbol followed by the question mark. Please note it down by this symbol followed by the question mark PHP, and whatever there is there, echo and print both can be used for printing anything. So print within the quotation, double quotes, you want to write whatever you want to print, and then the semicolon. Okay, then you want to close this. This is a single line command. Okay, the multi-line command is also used like this, but many lines can be used in the multi-line command like this. See, this is the example for multi-line with spans. See, with the slash and a asterisk. This is the multiplication. So with the slash and asterisk, and you want to end with the same symbols. Okay, with the slash and that multiplication symbol. And here by closing also hash with the multiplication symbol. So these are the two forms of commands to be added into your PHP program for the reference. So anyone by seeing this command, they can easily understand your script. Okay, why the commands are used? To know for what purpose this segment, this program is written. This because I already said you for website designing, we need lot thousands of lines to be added for creating a website. So, while creating a website, one segment, what it is doing, if you write it in a command, it is easy for anyone to view this. For you also, for the reference, you can use this command. If there is a not command, we cannot know for which segment, what is the purpose of the segment. So the purpose of the segment can be used as a command, either in the multiple or in the single line command. Clear with this multiple line and single line command? Yes. We can go to the next one. Can go? Okay. So this is your activity part. Will you include commands when you are developing a project? This is your own answer, if you include or not. I said it 2 minutes before. What is the importance of including the commands in your project? Isn't it? So, you write your own answer whether you will include the commands when you are developing a project. Got it? Yes? Okay. Next activity is 1.5, where you want to write one similarity and one difference between HTML and PHP scripting languages. So you write one difference and similarity between HTML and PHP in the pencil in this notebook and keep it ready. I will give you the correct answer after completing the lesson 1. In a PDF, all the correct answers I will give you. Before that, please write your answer and keep it ready. You can check whether it's correct or wrong. If it is relevant, you can keep it as such. Got it? Any doubt in this? Okay, we can go to the next one. See, the next one is how to run a PHP program. Please, students, be careful. We are having certain methods for certain steps to run a PHP program. If you are not following that steps, you cannot run the PHP program. Please keep it in mind. If you are skipping any one step, you cannot run the PHP program and it will show the error. And don't ask me, ma'am, it is not running. If you are in school, I might have said this many times. Please see, for HTML itself, you don't know how to launch it for 1 or 2 months, right? Now also maybe 1 or 2 categories who don't know how to save that HTML program. Instead of saving as .html, you will be saving as .txt and you will be saying, ma'am, this is not running, this is not running. Yes, these are all small things you will miss it. So please don't miss any steps. If you are missing any steps, the program will not run. Okay. So we are going into the steps. First step, type the PHP program in a notepad and save it using the file extension .php. Please make it a note. You want to type the PHP program in a notepad and save it using the extension file called as .php. For example, hello.php. In the next video, I will show you in a practically how to run and how to save all these things. Okay. The next one is second point, go to exam control panel. Where will be the exam control panel? To stop all the servers from the taskbar. The exam control panel will be like this. Start MySQL and Apache server. This is your exam control panel. I'll show you clearly here. This is your exam control panel where, see, exam control panel, while typing in the start run command itself, we will be having this exam control panel. You want to service. If the service is not available like this, if it is like this, you want to tick this. You want to make the service available and you want to start. Then it will be started. Apache and MySQL, these two servers you want to start before running the program. Got it? So before running the program, you want to start these two services, Apache and MySQL, by going into exam control panel. Got it? Yes. The next one is how the program must be saved or copied. So it must be saved or copied in htdocs folder, which is in exam folder. So where will be the exam folder? In the program file. So in the C column, in the program files, there will be exam folder. Inside the exam folder, there will be htdocs. Inside this htdocs folder only you want to save everything. Otherwise, the program will not run. So this htdocs folder, inside this only the PHP program will be running. If you are saving in exam or program files or any documents, the PHP program will not run. Please keep it in mind where you want to save your programs. In C, program files, exam, htdocs. Inside the htdocs, you can have your own folder. That folder, you can have it here. Got it? So this is your program saving point. Okay, so how to run the code? You want to type http://2/ localhost hello.php in any browser. Please keep it in mind. You want to type this localhost and htdocs. If it is in htdocs, you want to type the PHP program name alone. Otherwise, you want to have the folder name. I will show you everything in the next upcoming video. Okay, in any browser you can run this code. The program gets executed like this. See, the program will be executed like this. In the localhost hello.php, hello world, it is running like this. Any doubt till now? Yes? Any doubt till now? No, right? Okay, so in the next upcoming video, I'll show you practically how to open the notepad, how to open the exam control panel, how to save everything. I will show you clearly and then we can enter into the next thing. Okay, so practically we will do it and see how to save, how to run and where to save everything in the upcoming session. Clear with this concept? Please make note of these steps. We should not forget this step. If you are forgetting any one step, you cannot run the program. Got it, children? We'll see in the next practical video.